Update time on the 51. Looks a little different in here, right? Disc brake conversion is done. Calipers on. All the new bushings replaced throughout the entire thing. Kingpins rebuilt. Control arms done. Same thing. Sandblasted, painted. Disc. Nuts, bolts. Shocks. Booster, master cylinder for the power disc conversion. Got the fuel lines upstairs, keeping them out of the way for now. Brand new shocks about ready to go in. Brand new bushings been replaced. Springs cleaned up, new bushings everywhere, new fuel tank, new fuel system, new fuel straps. Bottom end is almost done. We got to plumb the rest of the brake lines. The rear is done. Rear end's been rebuilt for the drums, the master cylinder, wheel cylinder, sorry, and shoes, hardware kits, everything. Next up, we're going to put it on its wheels, disassemble the interior to give us access to all the controls for the, not controls, but the hardware to mount that stainless on, which looks like a ton of it, like a ton of it. Not looking forward to this part. We got to get all that stainless off of it so that I can polish it, one, and two, start the sanding on it. Kind of hit it with some 80 just to kind of knock off some of the ugly, but it looks like it's really not going to be too bad unless we have serious surprises waiting for us under panels, cladding like this. Like, this is a big piece, it could hide a lot. Can't get access to all of it, so we're gonna cross our fingers, it's not a problem. And the chrome is ready to be taken out, redone. Only thing I need left are these badges. These are chrome, not stainless. This is stainless, so these get polished, these get redipped. So I need these off and these off. Then I'm ready to drive to the chromers. It's coming together slowly but surely, and man, that bottom looks fantastic. I'm really happy with the way that came out. There's something about a rusty old girl like this with brand new disc brakes. It's just awesome. Slotted and drilled. That's where we're at. Good morning, everybody. Back on this 51 Chevy stuff, ready to drop the chrome parts off to get redone. And man, let me show you something crazy. A lot of you people might know this, but this is how they rolled back then. So you take a painted piece of steel, and this is chrome, of course, and you assemble it. This at least has some screws, but bolt here. The rest of it is riveted in all over. So all those have to come out. Every single one of them, so that we can separate the pieces and drop it off at the chromer. And this is what we come up with. Nibber. We're going to try to get in there because this is about the only thing that'll give us access in those hard to reach places. Should be able to touch them all with this. So we got to burn this apart so we can get it down, drop it off. Time's running out on getting the chroming done. That's the final frontier. Well, what a job, huh?